Sagar.
Yes, ma'am.
Here.
Now is
Ma'am,
it
you have to
visible?
pin him.
No.
Ma'am, you have to pin him. Then you can see.
Where? Where? I'll ping.
Ma'am, in the Google Meet list, you have to pin Sagar.
Sagar, acha. Here. Acha. Here is Google Meet list. It is not showing to the all. So I'm helping here.
Ma'am, is it
Where?
visible now?
Nare Papa. No.
ଆଉଥରେ
Sagar.
ସ୍କ୍ରିନ୍ ଆଉଥରେ ସାର୍ କରୁଛୁ ଦେଖିବା
It. Now it is coming. Ready? Again. Again close. No, not visible.
Not visible.
No.
Ma'am, you also share screen. Then we can guide you.
I also share you. How it is
Yes,
possible?
ma'am.
Now it is looking at that. How I'll share? How 2% can share? But it is
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. You just try once.
okay. Share now. Okay. I share.
Yes.
It is not visible. Yes.
Now, ma'am.
Now it is coming and then is still visible to others. Click to cancel your presentation. Okay. Where I click? But
There is a box type symbol.
Huh?
Ma'am, where?
50. I'm
near
here.
near 1:04 p.m. Top near 1:04 p.m. left side.
Top. This one.
Towards right.
I'm near 1:04 p.m. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Oh, it is not the.
I'm 49.
49. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Near that. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. I'm coming. And how I'll omit this one?
You click
Again, I'll
once.
click. Okay. At 49, yes, I click.
Yes.
Okay. Other click to cancel your presentation. Your screen is still visible. Oh, okay. এটা কি সাগর না Yes, I'm going to. Here, I click here, but still visible. Where he is? Yes. Okay, then.
In.
Yes.
Yes. Now the questions is showing me.
Investigate limit x tends to 0, or what is written here? It is.
Yes, ma'am. X tends to 0 sin pi by x.
Yes. 0, 1, 5.
Yes, ma'am. 0, 1, 5, 3.
So what you are getting sine pi by x? Tell me x tends to 0.
Sin pi by x.
Hmm.
Ma'am, it's sin infinity.
We are getting infinity.
It is echoing, ma'am.
Huh?
Your voice is coming with echo.
What I'll do now? Tell me.
Now it's okay.
No, now it's okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So yes, sine pi by x, limit x tends to 0. What is the value here? It is you are getting.
So when I put x in place of x0, it gets infinity. So sin infinity, how to calculate?
How to calculate it is you have to apply El Hospital rule.
So 0. Sin
El
0.
Hospital rule, the derivative
ma'am.
of the.
Ma'am, L hospital rule तो only 0/0 form नहीं रहेगा ना? Now the infinity by infinity.
Okay. Sine pi by
limit
x.
doesn't exist, ma'am. Ma'am, limit doesn't exist.
Here limit, but here it is not written in the option.
Option है ना ऐसे तो
It's a special function. And sin infinity.
Where you get this question?
doesn't exist.
Where you get this question?
from one of my friend, ma'am. ମୋ ସାଙ୍ଗ ଗୋଟେ ଦେଲା ଏ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଟା ତାଙ୍କ ସେକ୍ସନ ରେ କଣ ଡିସ୍କସ କରିଥିଲେ ଇଏ ହେଇଯାଇଥିଲା ବୁଝୁଛି ପରା ବୋଲି ପଚାରିଲା ସେ ପଚାରିବ କହିଥିଲା ସେଟା ଜାଣି ପାରିଲିନି ମାନେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଭୁଲ ଅଛି ନା କିଛି ଆଉ ଅଛି ଆକୁ ସଲ୍ଭ କରିବାର
मैम इतने एल हॉस्पिटल रूल अप्लाई करना है
Yes, so what you are saying?
एल हॉस्पिटल
नहीं
El Hospital rule होची infinity by infinity or 0 by 0.
if we are putting 0 here then it is undefined.
This question is not defined.
Yes ma'am, then further we can't find, no ma'am.
How?
Ma'am, then ma'am, if it is undefined, then you said one form we have to use. We have to divide multiply x and with
Multiply with
x.
divided by x.
Yes ma'am.
Multiply x and divided by x, then what I am getting, it is in the 0 by 0 form.
0 by 0 form. Further we'll solve it.
Then
by
you
x
solve.
by x square.
Yes, that is x square. It is x sine pi by x by x. So what you by differentiating, what do you get? Here it is.
Ma'am, multiplying x and dividing x means sin pi x by x square and applying LHR rule, it is pi by 2x only. Sorry, x by pi by 2x. So same condition will come.
So, okay, I am writing this question now. I'll write. So let me write down this question. Only one this question or other question also you have?
Yes, ma'am. One more question. This one.
Okay, I'm writing first. Let me write down. Then I'll see.
Okay.
Limit x tends to 0, sine pi by x. Then the other one. The option is 0, 1, and 5 here. And the other one, what is that? Show me. Right? Not visible. The other one. Not visible. No, it is the first one. Second one, show me. Yes. Limit x tends to 3 plus. It is 3 plus.
Yes, ma'am.
X plus 2 by x plus 3 is minus infinity plus infinity and c bit. X tends to 3 plus minus infinity plus infinity, then?
Then I think plus infinity.
Out 0, tapre 1.
Charity option achi.
हाँ मैम.
0, 1.
Plus infinity होगा.
X tends to 3 plus. So what do you get here? It is.
Ma'am, 3 plus माने तो एटे किछि ले माने 0 by 0 undefined एंती किछि ना डायरेक्ट x जगह 3 पुट कर परिबानी के एठी प्रॉब्लम तो किछि आसुनी.
Wait. अच्छा, any more question?
नहीं मैम दीड है
Oh, let me see. So, you stop sharing. We'll check. You stop.
yes ma'am I saw
No, resume your presentation. Oh,
ma'am unpin
what will do? You cannot remove this.
ma'am go to my picture the big picture only left side
Your picture is
in
here.
the middle ma'am
No
in the
ma'am, main
middle
screen, main screen asun.
Oh, अच्छा, okay. Yes.
yes
Huh?
yes click there ma'am
Yes. Oh, କେତେ କଥାରେ ଶିଖିଲେ ମତେ ଜଣା ନାହିଁ. And remove your presentation is written. Resume your presentation.
ମୁଁ presentation
So-
କାଟି ସାରିଲିଣି ma'am
It is not coming. Okay.
resume your
Partition.
presentation yes
It
ma'am
will
resume your
come.
presentation
हाँ काटी साइलेंट थे बाबा. कौन
ସେ
ଏଟା
ଯୋଉ
କେମିତି
resume
କରିବ?
your presentation କୁ ଜାଣନ୍ତୁ ma'am ଯୋଉ resume your presentation ରେ ଅଛି
हाँ.
ହଁ ସେଠି
ଏଟା
କ୍ଲିକ୍
କେମିତି କଣ
କରନ୍ତୁ
କରିବି? हाँ?
ସେଠି କ୍ଲିକ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ
हाँ क्लिक कली.
ହଁ ସେଇ ଯୋଉ resume presenting କୁ
अच्छा. ଏଟା
ହଁ ହଁ
ହେଲା ହଁ.
ହଁ ଏବେ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ମ୍ୟାମ୍ କୋଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ସଲ୍ଭ କରନ୍ତୁ ଦେଖାଯାଉଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସ୍କ୍ରିନ୍
କହୁଛି. Yes. So the question is your limit x tends to 0 x pi by x sin pi by x. Eraser कोट पड़ेगा. Limit x tends to sin pi by x. So here you multiplying. Okay, so it is in the form of 0 by 0. So L hospital rule. So what you get on the numerator? Sin pi by x. Multiple of two function.
yes
Sin
ma'am
pi by x into
into
derivative of 1 by x is your derivative of 1 by x.
1 minus 1 by x square
Then plus, sorry, it is writing it is your, sorry, very sorry. First to differentiate this x, then plus, yes, then plus x, it is your cos pi by x, then it is your minus 1 by x square. So it is cancel out, divided by 1. So x tends to 0. This is I am again getting it is infinity. Then x tends to 0. Here also I am getting infinity. So how can you solve? If you are saying that multiplying so x by x. No.
ସେଟା ଗୋଟେ ସ୍ପେଶାଲ ଫଙ୍କସନ ଲିମିଟ ଏକ୍ଜିଷ୍ଟ କରିବନି
ନା ଏଟା limit exist କରିବନି ଏଠି, but the option is not there, so that's why I'm asking.
Ma'am, question ର option ଗୁଡା ଭୁଲ ଅଛି ma'am.
ଭୁଲ ହେଇପାରିବ ନା ତା ବୋଲି
ହଁ ଭୁଲ ଥିବ ବୋଧେ ସେଟା.
Option ଗୁଡା
ଅପସନ
ଭୁଲ
ଭୁଲ
ଅଛି.
ଅଛି ହଁ
Limit does not exist should be there, one option.
yes yes ma'am other question
Then other question. Limit x tends to 3 plus x plus 2 divided by x plus 3. Okay. So this is I can write down limit h tends to 0. That is at the place of x. I can write down. I can write down it is our value. H tends to 0. What do you write down for the value of x?
3.
3? Only 3?
3.001.
3 plus h I can write down. Na? H tends to 0 I have written.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Plus
Divided by
2 divided by 3 plus h plus 3. Isn't that it?
Yes, ma'am.
So what I am getting here it is
5 by 6.
5 by 6.
Is there any option here 5 by 6? Naita?
No, ma'am. That's
So
why I was asking this.
minus infinity, infinity, 0, 1. No. I'm getting this value. So we can proceed like this, and 3 plus means we have to add h tends to 0. If it is minus, then we subtract h. That is like this. Okay. Minus infinity, 0, 1. How it is?
Ma'am, the options are wrong.
I think the options are wrong.
I'm totally wrong.
Totally.
Answer
How I am
minus
getting it is 3 plus. It is not coming infinity minus infinity. First of all.
Answer is giving minus infinity, and the other question, the answer is given 0.
Ma'am, I think the x tends to 3 minus. Minus 3 plus. Then it will be something.
Ma'am, maybe it will be x minus 3 in the denominator. Maybe.
It is x minus 3. Huh? So x minus 3 means it is at 0, so it is coming infinity.
Yes. That's
Yes.
it, I think.
So printing mistake either, or answer is not correct.
Yes, ma'am.
You come to that. What is wrong here? If I am going by this way, nothing.
Yes,
I can go by
ma'am.
this way.
That.
So it
Yes,
may
ma'am.
be minus 3.
Yes, ma'am. I think also.
And if you are saying that by we convert it to the 0 by 0 form, okay, but what I am getting again, I am getting it is infinity.
Yes, ma'am.
Again, I am infinity into infinity, it is infinity, it is infinity. Infinity minus infinity.
Yes, got it, ma'am.
Got it? So
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
now. The questions are done. So any doubt?
Ma'am, I have doubt.
Yes. Go to that. Where? Tell me.
Ma'am, infinite. How to prove infinite limit?
Where? Question, tell me. You will get your question according to your lesson plan and according to your examples.
Okay,
So your so that infinite limit, which article? Tell me that one. Which article limit? I've forgotten everything. Where? Which article? Where it is? Which one? Hey, this is given. Determine the infinite limit. X tends to, it is, the question is that it is wrong here, minus 3 plus. Listen.
Ma'am, article 2.
Now you see here, that question. In your book, that question was, your question, just I saw that when I am opening the book, I saw that question now. It was here, it is written as find, determine the infinite limit. The question was like this here. That is your question number 29 of your article 2.2. I think it is 2.2. Yes, this 2.2. That is your infinite limit. The question is asking here, it is limit x tends to minus 3 plus. Clear to you? Here it is minus
Yes,
3
yes.
plus, then the question it is given x plus 2 divided by x plus 3. So here I am getting it is infinity. Is that clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Hmm.
ma'am.
So the question here, that question is wrong. That should be written as minus 3 plus, or that should be written as minus 3 minus. There we are getting that
Yes.
negative, minus infinity. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
How you solve it is clear. Infinite limit to solve that infinite limit.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, ma'am, precise definition of limit, article 2.4, ma'am.
2 point. अब article 2 point कितने बाबा? Yes, precise definition. What you want?
I have doubt in how to prove infinite limit. That limit extends to 0, 1 by x square. Then it is infinite. How can we prove that?
How to prove infinite? Is there any question it is given on that infinite limit? No, I think. No question. Is there any question? Acha. Here it is infinite limit. What I am getting here it is 1 by x square. X tends to 0. Tell me what you are getting. What you are getting? 1 by x square, x tends to 0. I am writing here. 1 by x square, limit x tends to 0. If you have, so what you are getting here?
Infinity.
It is infinity. Infinite limit, we get when x tends to 0 for this functional value, we get infinite limit. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Limit x tends to 0 minus 1 by x square. What I am getting?
Minus infinity.
Minus infinity. So when limit x tends to 0, we are getting also here minus infinity. Is that clear? So this is called your infinite limit.
No, ma'am, I have doubt in how to prove that. We will take m larger number or n larger number, and how to show that it is infinite.
How to show that? Is there any question I'm asking you? You'll not get any proof. You'll not get any proof.
There is
Here it
an
is
example.
when it is example 5, it is here it is. Here it is your, let m be given positive number. We want to find the number delta such that, what you write down according to our definition. According to our definition, it is given here, let a be a function given in some open interval that contains the number a except possibly at a itself, limit x tends to fx is equal to infinity. Means that for every positive number m, there exists positive number delta such that you have to prove this one. 0 is less than x minus a less than delta, then fx is greater than m. So here m be a given positive number, we want to find the number delta such that here, what is written? If 0 is less than absolute value of x is less than, you want to know this one. What do you want to know? Then we have to prove that 1 by x square is greater than m. Okay. What you want to know, but you will not get this type of question. I'm asking you.
Yes, ma'am.
Class. Clear here? If any question, I'll clear your doubt. Tell me that question. For the
Ma'am,
infinity. Yes.
ma'am, question number 9.
Question number 9. Is that question in your lesson plan? I'm asking you first. Is that question in your lesson plan? Or related to that question in your lesson plan? Or is that type of question in your example? What I am asking you?
Ma'am, type of example is there, ma'am.
Where? Where? Where it is? I'm not getting that type of example. I'm not getting. Why you are asking to that question to me? Yes, I'll discuss, but later, not today.
Ma'am, one doubt is that in Article 2.2,
Yes.
please explain that the limit extends to 0 plus ln x is minus infinity. I can get that. After the example 10, there is written, but I can get that.
2.2.
Yes, ma'am. 2.2. Just before the exercise 2.2.
2.2 before just the exercise.
Yes, ma'am.
Before the. Achha, okay. Limit x tends to 0 plus. Go to that by considering some points here.
Yes, ma'am.
Limit x tends to 0 plus ln x is your minus infinity. It is written as a definition. So forget about that. Forget about that. 0 plus. Okay. Consider point 0 plus 0 to on this side. Consider 0.01. Ln 0.01 is how much? Tell me. Ln 0.01 is how much?
Tends to infinity.
Ln 0.01. I'm not asking you ln 0. Ln 0 is not defined. That's why it is written as 0 plus. You have calculator. Find out the value. Ln 0.01.
Minus 4.6.
It is minus 4.6. Ln 0.01 is here. Let it be here. That is your minus 4.6. So it is towards the negative. Towards the negative side here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then come to the ln 0.5.
Yes, minus 2.99 or 2.3. Minus
Okay.
2.3.
Again, I am getting it is okay. Then come to the ln 0. That is your 0.00001. Come here. It is coming downwards or it is coming 0 plus means you have to add h, that is s tends to 0. Very small number. So what I am getting, it is towards that negative side or not? The values are.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Right? So that's why it is saying that minus infinity.
Oh, since h is very small value, so it is tends to minus infinity.
Yes.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Okay, I got it.
Then
मैम आर्टिकल 3.7 का 26 नंबर
Article 3.7. Three point seven କହିଲାଣି ପୁଣି।
मैम 26 नंबर टे डाउट अछि।
ମୁଁ ଯାଉଛି।
हां मैम
3.5 ପାଖରେ ପହଞ୍ଚିଛି। 3.6 3.7 कौन पाठ ये rate of change in natural and social problem. It is 3.7 26 कौन अछि? हाँ already done this question.
मैम बुझा पड़लानी टिके मैम और टिके रिवाइज कर दे।
How to coach? Okay. Just wait 1 minute. So it is your, the number of yeast cell in the laboratory culture increases rapidly initially, but levels up eventually. The population is modeled by the function n is equal to ft is equal to, the population it is defined as n is equal to ft is equal to a by 1 plus b e to the power minus 0.7t. It is given. Where t is measured in hour at time t is equal to 0. When t is equal to 0, the initial population is, it is given here, the population is 20 cells. Okay? So it is given when t is equal to 0, the f of 0 is equal to our 20. Clear? It is clear? This statement is clear?
यस मैम।
Okay. Then n is increasing at the rate of 12 cells per hour. N is increasing at a rate of 12 cells per hour. Means, what we write down here? It increasing at a rate of 12 cells per hour. At a rate of 12 cells per hour. What you write down? Already done?
मैम डिफरेंशिएशन we have to do.
So it is your t is equal to 0. I am writing here it is if t is equal to 0 it is 20. So from that it is 20 is equal to a by 1 plus t is equal to 0, it is b. E to the power 0, it is 1. So we'll get 1 plus b. Say it is one equation. Say it is one equation, is not it? 20 into 1 plus b, it is 20 given or not? Yes, 20. 20 into 1 plus b is equal to a. Is that clear?
Yes मैम।
Then, what is ft? Ft is given that. The rate of change, it is your f dash t. F dash t is equal to, worker, find out. A, B are constant, is not it? So it is 0 into the derivative of A is 0, 0 into 1 plus B e to the power minus 0.7t, then minus a into the derivative of 1 is 0, then derivative of this value is 0, minus is minus a into that is value minus 0.7 b e to the power minus 0.7 t. Clear? Divided by 1 plus b e to the power minus 0.7 t whole square. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is what is given the next step. Find the increasing at a rate of 12 cells per hour. Okay. So when t is equal to 0, it is increases at 12. So what is our equation here? T is equal to 0. It is increases. So what you write down here? 12 is equal to t is equal to 0. You put here. Find out the equation. It is plus your 0.7 AB. Isn't it? And the numerator 0.7 AB divided by it is your t is equal to 0, 1 plus b square. One equation, it is 2. I'm not writing detail when t is equal to 0. Clear? It is written in your question. Now you solve equation 1, 2 unknown, 2 equation. Solve this 2 equation and find out the value of AB. Find out the value of the question is asking, find the value of AB. What is the value of A and what is the value of B? You are doing? You are doing or not?
Yes, ma'am, doing.
I am audible now? I am audible. I am asking you, I am audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Not clear? No net in college. Due to the hotspot, so okay. So what you get the value of A and B? What you get? You are not able to simplify?
Ma'am, A equals to 140 by 13 and B equals to minus 6 by 30.
Yes, you are wrong. A is equal to 140 and B is equal to 6.
Ma'am, can you explain it once again, please?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It is the given data. It is given data. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
When t is equal to 0, the ft is equal to that cells r, it is your 20. So t is equal to 0. What is the value we get? E. That is our 1. E to the power 0 is equal to 1. So I'll get it is a by 1 plus b. 20 is equal to a by 1 plus b. Clear? This up to this, it is clear to you?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Then again it is given that it is increases at a rate of 12 cells per hour.
Yes, ma'am.
At a rate of means f dash t we have to find out. So we have differentiate this with respect to t, where a and b are constant. So if a is constant, we must get differentiating, you get it is 0, 0 into this value, then minus a into the derivative of this. So derivative of 1 is 0, then the derivative of this value b is constant as it is. Derivative of this is our minus 0.70 multiplied by a. So what you get? We get it is minus minus plus ab 0.7 when t is equal to 0.
Ma'am,
It is
here
equal to
also t
12.
equal to 0.
Yes.
After taking the f dash t, there
Yes.
also have to put t equal to 0.
Yes, it is given in your question. That is 12. Also, it is n t is equal to the rate of change of the cell, increasing at the rate of 12 cells when t is equal to 0.
Yes, yes, ma'am. I got it. I got it.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So then you simplify this way, you'll get your answer. Here it is a is equal to 140 and b is equal to 6. And in the long run, according to this model, what happened to yeast population in the long run? Limit, long run means t tends to infinity, what happened? Ft is equal to limit t tends to infinity, that is a by 1 plus e to the power, b e to the power minus 0.7t, t tends to infinity. What you get? This part become 0. 1 by infinity we get it is 0. So we get it is equal to e. That is equal to 140. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Clear. Thank you.
Then
Ma'am, 2.4, question number 16 and 24.
2.4. Yes, 2.4. Hmm. 2.4 question number
16 and 24.
16 and 24 already I said that it is a constant, nothing else you have to write down.
Not 16. That is limit mod x equals to 0. Limit x tends to 0. Mod x equals to 0. That one. And limit x
That
tends
is your
to f is
27.
equal to c.
Hmm.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. 27. 27
Already I
and
discussed
24.
this part.
Ma'am, 1 second, please.
Limit x tends to a, c is equal to c. According to the definition of the limiting case, limit x tends to any value, constant is our constant or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you can write down here only this one, the x minus a, absolute value 0 is less than, this is less than delta. Then what you write down here, it is c minus c, absolute value less than epsilon. So what you get here, it is less than epsilon. 0 is less than epsilon. Zero is less than epsilon. What you are writing always in the definition? Epsilon is greater than 0. We are writing or not? On the definition.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Epsilon greater than 0.
Greater than 0. So we are getting here.
Epsilon less than 0.
Yes. Epsilon
Okay,
is
okay.
greater than
Yes, ma'am.
0.
Epsilon greater than 0. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We got it here or not? So you simply write down, according to the definition, we know when this occurs, for every epsilon there is a number delta such that this exists. And what is epsilon? Epsilon is always greater than 0, which one I am getting here. So here simply you write down, for any value of delta, epsilon exists. For any value of delta, epsilon exists. We have to prove this part, huh? From this, we have to prove this one.
Yes,
Isn't
ma'am.
it? Nothing else here, only simply the definition. Then,
And ma'am, the 27, limit x tends to 0, mod x equals to 0.
x tends to 0, mod x equal to 0. So what you write down? X tends to 0, mod x equal to 0. What you write down?
0 less than x minus 0.
0 less than absolute value of x minus 0 means absolute value of x is less than delta. Isn't it? Isn't it? Then,
Yes, ma'am.
Then absolute value of x minus 0 is less than epsilon. Isn't it?
Yes,
We write down
ma'am.
like this? We write down like this?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is, start from here. First analysis. So it is minus 0 less than epsilon implies it is your less than epsilon. That implies I can write down absolute value of x is less than epsilon.
Okay, ma'am.
I can write down. Okay. So absolute value of less than epsilon is equal to delta. Then delta work. You not it? Then delta work or not?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what you choose? We choose
Delta equals to mod x minus epsilon.
delta is equal to epsilon. We choose here delta is equal to epsilon. What do we get here? This value we have to choose. Okay. Then we proceed on absolute value of, that is 0 is less than absolute value of x. I'm writing here, I'm not writing that x minus 0. I'm writing directly absolute value of x is less than delta. That is less than epsilon. In the set that is equal to epsilon. I got it here by choosing. Okay. So here it is, this implies absolute value of x is less than epsilon. This implies absolute value of is less than epsilon. Then this implies absolute x minus 0, just opposite, less than epsilon. Proved. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Then I'll clear. I'll clear. I'll clear this page.
Yes, ma'am. Clear this page.
Okay. Then after that, need out. Still you have 7 minutes, okay, 6 minutes. Tomorrow you have no class, I think. No. Ask me. Fine, 5x और कोड देखी मैं क्वेश्चन था. Yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Hello?
Yes. Yes, pi by x is 0. That question, Sagar, you are asking.
Yes, ma'am. Please explain.
Sin pi by x, the option it is given there 0, 1, and 5. I think it is given.
Yes, ma'am.
I forgot. So that is 0. It is x tends to 0. It is written not equal to 0.
Yes. Oh, yes, ma'am.
It is not equal to 0. I am thinking for that till now. It is. You see, x tends to 0. It is not equal to 0. It is not given that 0, or it is not given at 0 plus.
Yes, yes.
So I can take x tends to 0 means I can take the value that is x as 0.00001, you can consider and check that.
So by taking pi value 3.14 and 0.001,
That is your tends to 0.
yes,
Is not
yes,
it? The
ma'am.
value is sign of that value is tending to 0, so we say it is 0. The answer is 0.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
If option is there, remind it answer is 0.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
But
Ma'am,
limit extends
Ma'am, I
to
have a
sin
doubt.
pi by x does not exist. But it is not x approaches 0, so we can say it is does not exist. Should be there,
Ma'am,
one
at least we
option
have
ma'am,
should
checked
be
3 to
there. It
4
is.
values.
so if there
We
there
have
will
to
be
check 3 to 4
ma'am,
values.
if there were a option like does not exist and 0, so we have to choose
Then
the
you have
does
to write
not
down
exist,
does not
no?
exist. Yes.
Yes.
Though there is no option here, so you can write down here by considering that value. Very 0.00001. So you can check that you get it is 0
Yes, ma'am.
by the help of that graph. You see,
Yes.
there is an example in 2.2. It is, I find out that example 4. Investigate limit x tends to 0 sin pi by x. It is written here not exist. Also, it is written here by considering this value, it is written is equal to 0.
Yes, ma'am.
So that's why I'm saying to you, see the examples. I've sought some example in the classroom, but not all. So see some examples. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can we have your number, please? So in further doubts, we can contact you.
Yes.
Please write it in the
So
chat
my
box.
number is 94371. 94371.
Yes, ma'am.
Is someone saying what is your doubt? Quick. It is your.
Ma'am, exercise
Hmm?
4.2 26 number. Exercise 4.2 26 number. 36 number.
4.2 36.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
I'm
your
just
voice.
saying to you. And if x
Voice
is
is
not equal to
breaking.
1, then we
Not
say it is only
Ma'am,
one
voice is
fixed point.
breaking.
Ma'am, your voice is not audible
Everyone
properly.
asking this question, already I solved this one. So by mean value theorem, I'm considering here it is two fixed point. If B also one fixed point, B is equal to B. If you consider two fixed point, and if I write down A is less than B, the closed interval it is our AB. The function is continuous here and differentiable here. And then we get it is our f dash c. There is a point here in between that AB. F dash c is equal to fb minus fa divided by b minus a. So b minus a I can write down it is fb minus a, b minus a. I will get it is 1. So for all real number x, so I write down here. Here it is c is a point here. So for all real numbers, so I can write down it is f dash x is equal to 1, which contradicts our assumption. I'm considering two fixed point. And it is not getting, I'm not getting f dash x is not equal to 1. I'm getting it is equal to 1. So it has one fixed point. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
I think it is already done in the class. I don't know it is in your section or not. I have done this one. So now you are clear here?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you are clear?
Yes, ma'am. If this
Go to the mean value theorem. You can write down by 4 steps. You can over. That work is over. So you may get your. Also, you can prove it by using the Rolle's theorem also. You can prove it by using Rolle's theorem also. What mean value theorem is easy. Okay. Now I am going to stop. Your class may be. It is 943. It is 371045336.
Thank you, ma'am.